Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix QR code scanner not working on iPhone. If the QR code scanner is not working on your iPhone, and keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Simply restart your iPhone and fix your problem. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check the camera app. Ensure the camera app is functioning properly and not stuck or frozen. Simply open the camera app. You can see camera app is working. If camera app is working, simply applying the solution number 3. If camera is stuck on frozen or black screen, reset all settings and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check for software updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset all settings on your iPhone. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your iPhone settings and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is disable and re-enable QR code scanning. Go to the settings app, tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find camera. You can see, simply tap on camera and you can see scan QR codes is enable. If disable, enable it. If enable, simply disable and re-enable again and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Check for conflicts with other apps. If you have recently installed a new app, try deleting it to see if it resolves the issues and fix. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is clean the camera lens. Ensure the camera lens is clean from dirt, dubs and smudges. Simply you can see clean the camera lens and remove the back cover and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Check for hardware issue. Ensure your iPhone camera is not damaged or faulty. Make sure your iPhone is not drop down. Simply if solution number 8 is not working, visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer and fix your problem. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying the solution number 9. Solution number 9 is check for any stuck or damaged button. Simply check for buttons. If buttons are stuck, simply fix the button and fix your problem. If solution number 9 is not working, now applying the solution number 10. Ensure the QR code is not damaged or expired. Using a different QR code scanner app and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply visit the nearest Apple store to fix the camera QR code scanning problem. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.